Hi guys! For today's video, namundok naman kami. Papunta pala kami ng Bukhari, bali bundok part ng town namin. And alam nyo guys, share ko lang, papunta din talaga kami dito dapat last time. And buntik na kaming madisgrasya as in dito mismo talaga. Pero thanks God kasi niligtas niya kami and I consider this as my second life na. Anyways, andito na pala kami guys, approximately 30 minutes gamit yung motor. Meron pala sila ditong 50 pesos na entrance with free drinks and snacks na yon of your choice. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye guys!